Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 ATC Game Changer Pro. It is the 4528. This is their big model that's going to have the big capacities, the largest storage, with the adjustable wall to give you different lengths for your garage space and or modifying the living room area in size as well. So let me come on inside and show you it. So this is an all aluminum fifth wheel with Asdel in the walls. So we really have, there's virtually, I don't know of anything in here that can deteriorate other than the rubber tires and the brakes on the axles. All aluminum, aluminum cabinetry, aluminum floor, aluminum roof, aluminum sidewall. So really is going to have the long-lasting durability more than anything else out there. This is going to be capacity-wise, a gross weight of 21,000 pounds. The dry weight on it's 13.3 and change, which gives you approximately 6,000 pounds of cargo capacity and storage. So really huge when it comes to this type of fifth wheel. Come on inside. So solid surface countertops, stainless steel sink, oven, cooktop, all aluminum cabinets, adjustable shelving, residential refrigerator, forced heat through the cabinetry, roller shades, blackout. This can be the dinette area. We have a fold-up table with a great big dinette window, 4 folding chairs that come with it. Our monitor panel's all right here, so if I want to use my auto leveling system, if I want to use the switches to dimmer my lights in the ceiling, fire up the generator, check my gauges for my tank capacities, turn my water heater on, all from one place. Very simple, very easy. The loft above is going to give me more storage space with the ladder that's built in that comes down, so we can utilize the ladder to get up and down. We have the French doors. They're going to close us off and separate. Now the unique thing with this model and a few of their other models is this bulk wall, we can slide it back and move it back to here and increase our space in the kitchen and living room area and shorten the space of our garage. But if I'm standing here and I got all that room of cargo space, that's a ton of space for storage. Or if I want to remove this wall and have no wall, I'm clear up here, literally to the front counter is 28 feet to the back door. I don't know of anybody else that's building something like this that you can beat that. Tracking system on the walls, tracking system on the floors, aluminum fender wells to pull up on if I have that wide vehicle or something that I need to pull up on there for the space. Separate second furnace for the garage area, as well as this unit having 3 air conditioners. So we got the heat covered, we got the air conditioning covered. We have the above queen mattress here above that goes up to the ceiling. We have the opposing dinette that's going to roll into a bed. That one comes together to make the bed, or we got a table in between, so that's a dinette area there as well. This all goes up to the ceiling. We got the patio area with the rear patio deck with the cables. We have the fencing, and we have the screen wall. Larger capacity ramp door than anybody else out there. I think you're around the 5,000, 5,500 pound ramp capacity. You know, just throughout, this is a super strong, I would call it if you call it a toy hauler, you could call it a toy hauler on steroids. Come on up, I'll show you the bedroom. Come up here, hallway to the bath. We got a private bath. Nice porcelain toilet, nice shower, vanity, sink area there. This unit has a capacity of 200 gallons of fresh water. So when we have these interior doors, I mean, show me something else that I can do that to. Pocket door here separating the bedroom from the living. This is going to be a queen size bed. We have the little seating area here that's in the slide, so I've got a place to put my shoes on or take them off, or as in the factory website showing the gal sitting here, you know, reading her book with the window here. Nice quiet area. Closets on both sides, front to rear. Washer and dryer hookup area. Closet space on both sides of the bed. Under the bed, drawers beside, 110 outlets on both sides, one USB outlets on both sides. Fantastic fan in the bedroom, so I get the whisper quiet fan circulating air at nighttime. Don't have to have the AC running if it's that type of night. I can have the fresh air coming through my bedroom. This particular model has the white exterior with the blackout. The big long patio awning with the LED lights. Frameless windows, part of the Pro package. Again, the big patio with the fencing that comes out so we can keep the small children in, the dogs in. Lighting above on the back end for cargo lighting or patio lighting. 6-point auto leveling system. Dual fuel sinks. This is gen prepped. In today's world, we're having a hard time getting generators along with every other manufacturer. It is gen prep, so we do have a fuel station for the gen separate as well as for the pump station. Once the generators start getting more available, it's all ready to go. It's pre-wired and plumbed for it with a box. Tankless water heater, big basement. The slide out, that's a nice curve appeal the way they do their slide with the topper there. Nice big pin box, all aluminum welded. Gen prep ready in here. It's already got the firebox. Propane tanks here. All diamond plate aluminum to keep the rock chips from peeling it up, making it look ugly. We have a really good selection of the ATC fifth wheels in stock right now. The smaller units, this is the biggest unit they make. But you really need to give me a call if you're looking for an ATC and see what our inventory is. It changes daily. We have 6 or 7 fifth wheels in stock right now. So make sure you contact me. My name is CThompson at BISH'S RV here in Junction City, Oregon. My direct number, somebody just trying to call me, 541-979-1770. Be happy to discuss with you our ATC inventory as well as what's in the queue that's inbound coming, or we'll special build you one and get it just the way you want it and get it ordered. They do take several months to get, so if you're looking for one, now's the time to buy. You buy it at the right price. If you have any questions, contact me. CThompson, BISH'S RV. Thank you and have a great day.